It's just coming apart, right? I want to show you something. I want to show you guys something I learned about these Hawk helium ropes, the saddle ropes, the Tether and the Lineman. I've already replaced them with JX3 ropes, but let me show you what I'm talking about here. So what I learned from a buddy who's been doing this way longer than I have, to check my ropes. He knew I was riding a Hawk helium saddle, and he said he's been reading a lot about Hawk helium ropes coming apart, and he's even sent me a couple of pictures. This is the worst one I saw. Let me show you this one. And this one here is mine, and I've actually had this one. This is a new saddle. I've had this one in the tree exactly 8 times, and I've only had 4 long sets in it, and I haven't set a full day, you know, a 12-hour set or an all-day set, just mornings or evenings, and some practice runs in this saddle to get used to this saddle. But let me show you what this rope is doing already. 8 times in the tree. It's just coming apart, right? Right where the ropes go together for the braid. And the braid is probably 4 inches long inside, so it's probably safe. But after seeing the pictures he sent me, that just doesn't work for me. This is probably a good safety harness rope, safety harness tether or something, you know, when you're sitting on a tree stand. But when you're hanging in a saddle, that just doesn't work for me. So let me show you what I picked up. This is a JX3 Lineman's rope, and I used the same Hawk rope tender and carabiner, and I have it hitched to the Lineman's loop on my saddle. And here's the tether, and I'm just running a Prusik knot on that. But I want you to look at the difference in the knots. I mean, they're laced together or sewn together on both sides, and they have that plastic shrink wrap to secure the threads, so the threads won't ever back out. And just the difference in the feel of the rope, I mean, it's a different world, the difference in these ropes. Here's that tether I was showing you. I mean, I don't know how this thing hadn't come apart on me already. Just the difference in the braid. So if you're running a Hawk helium saddle, get yourself a good set of ropes. I mean, how much is your life worth to you? You know, not saying that these would ever come apart, but you saw the picture and you saw my rope. I mean, that just doesn't do good for me. I mean, you know, you spend money on this stuff and you think you're buying quality, and then you see this crap. I don't know. I hope this helps somebody. I hope this saves somebody from falling out of a tree. It irritates me. You know, you spend good money on equipment and you hope it's going to hold up, and then you see this. So, hope everybody's safe out there, and catch you in the woods. Everybody, good luck. Have a good season.